What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm at the Automobile Megamart. This is where all the new cars and used cars are being sold here. And there's over hundreds of car dealers in this building. And you are able to find all types and all various of cars in this building. So I have just purchased a car from one of the dealers here. And right now I'm heading in to get the paperwork done. Trans Express Motor Enterprise is a one-stop car dealer if you're looking for a used car, and they do have their in-house workshop and you're able to get a car service before your car purchase. They do assist with bank loans, and if you're looking into taking out a loan which is more than 70% of the car purchase price, they are able to provide you with their in-house loan at a competitive rate. They have all types of cars, sedan, MPV or SUV, you name it, they have it. So thank you so much Trans Express Motor Enterprise to be part of the sponsor for today's video, and their link will be down below. So right now let's get back to today's video. Alright guys, so all the paperwork is done, and I'd like to thank Trans Express Motor to be part of the sponsor of this video, as I'm able to purchase the car at a relatively good price. So I was being attended by Adrian, who is the sales guy of this car dealer. He's pretty friendly and knowledgeable about cars, so I put his contact details down below and you guys can reach him out. So right now I'm able to drive home my newly purchased car. Alright guys, so recently I just bought a car from one of the dealer at Automobile Megamart. This is a used car, it's not a brand new car. So this is a 2009 Kia Cerato Forte. It equips with a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder engine. And with a 1.6 litre engine, it's pretty sufficient to drive around in Singapore. Unlike in US, UK and Australia, where the roads are pretty big and requires a higher cc engine to drive around. So right now I'm owning two vehicles, which means my expenses will be increased as I have to pay for both vehicles, insurance, road tax and the season parking. So before I bought this car, I requested the dealer to send the car to the workshop for a full inspection to make sure there's no issues with the engine, transmission and all the parts. So the end results of the inspections are pretty good, except the suspension bushing, the control arm bushing and the shock absorber are pretty worn out due to the fact that this is a 10-year-old car. The reason why I bought a used car is because I don't want to spend much on cars, as I like to prefer to have more cash on hand for my baby Claris, be it for her future education or for her insurance. So when I bought this car, it was actually a owner's condition, which means there was nothing being done on the car. Tires, engine oil were not being replaced and the car was not being resprayed. This is a stock paintwork from the factory, and there are a few dents here and there at the left of the vehicle, and on the right there are a few scratches. So hopefully all these scratches are able to be removed after the car is being polished. So as for interior, the condition of the interior are pretty good. So this is an SX variant equipped with leather seats. auto climax control, and a rear disc brake. So all these features will only be found on the SX variant but not the EX variant. So since the tires and the shock absorber were not being replaced, I will be replacing them myself. So I will not be getting the stock shock absorber, I'll be getting the coils over for my car, as I'm able to adjust the stiffness, the softness and the ride height of the car. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ride safe and bye!